we have a brand new tropical system that we're going to be watching as it continues to grow and develop. And we'll take a look at where it's headed, the impacts it will have on us here. And then we'll also get the latest on what's happening with the rain across Middle Tennessee and when it will move out and what is to follow as we get into the second half of the week. So without further ado, let's talking about the tropical weather. We right now are not done with hurricane season. It officially ends the end of the month. And this time of year, we see fewer and fewer tropical systems developing. You can see where we are on the timeline today. Climatology-wise, most hurricanes form during the month of September. September 10th is the average peak of what we call hurricane season. But we have until the end of November, so we'll keep tracking, and we've got something out there to watch as well. Here is a look at the latest track in terms of what we're seeing out there with this new system. So let me back this up one more time so we can take another look, a little slower look at what we call our spaghetti charts. I'm sure you've heard that term before. Right now, potential tropical cyclone 19 has 30-mile-per-hour winds. The movement is west at 6 miles per hour, and you can see the pressure right there. So look what it's planning to do. Head out of the Caribbean, go across, as you can see, out into the Yucatan Peninsula, and then out into the Gulf. And then we could see that moving in across Florida. Now, that's right now the consensus with our models is to take it right there in that Big Bend area of Florida. We'll watch it. Of course, we're many days away, so things could change, but that's what we're seeing right now with this tropical system as it continues to move on toward the northeast right now. Of course, days and days to watch that as it progresses across the Gulf. So let's go from there to what it looks like right now on our satellite image. And here it is developing in the Caribbean. And it's very close to land right now, as you can see. But it's going to continue to grow as it gets into that warmer water. And we do have this track. This is the official track from the Hurricane Center. And you can see that westward movement at 6. So it is going to bring it onshore, move it across the Yucatan Peninsula, and then back out into the Gulf. Now, the timing on that is through Monday. So we have many, many days to track this before it gets into the Gulf itself. And with that in mind, of course, we could see rain from this, but that is well into the future, so we'll have to keep you updated on this particular system as it moves across. Here's a look at our top 4 on 4, and what we're looking at here at home. Much more rain expected overnight. And actually, some of this is the moisture left over from Raphael. Remember that tropical system? It's going to be cool tomorrow for everyone. And then we've got fantastic weather Friday and over the weekend. Colder air comes in next week, so that's going to be interesting. Here we have been a little spoiled, if you like warm weather, of having that, but we are going to get kind of a reality check. Doesn't look like a frost or a freeze just yet, but we will keep watching that as it moves on in our general direction. All right, seems like our camera went down there, but here we go with another perspective of what's going on. And on our camera view of downtown, we are watching 61 degrees with a southeast movement at 10 miles per hour. I know what went down, our radar. That's what we're not seeing here. But that's all right, because we will continue to watch as we got more moisture rolling in. I'll show you on Futurecast. And here it is. When we make our way later into the evening, we're just looking for more of this rain to move across Middle Tennessee. This is 10 o'clock. Temperatures in the 50s, continuing to move on toward the northeast. And then we'll start to see all that clear out by Thursday morning at 7 o'clock. 56 degrees starts things off. And then we make it to 2 o'clock, about 61 degrees for our afternoon high. Here we are at 7 o'clock at 53. And then note, still a few clouds around on Friday, a thinning deck of clouds with temperatures there in the 40s. So starting to feel that crisp, cool fall air with 64 for our afternoon high. 50s for some of you coming up on Friday afternoon, but we'll have much more sunshine in the afternoon. And I just don't think it's going to be quite as cloudy as our Futurecast was depicting there early on. The purple shading here shows you potential rainfall totals of 1 to 2 inches in those locations. So more than 2 inches right there in Clarksville and Waverly and Centerville. The blue is more around 1 inch of rain expected through Thursday morning. So we will take that. We need it for the drought conditions that we have across the area. By the way, a new drought monitor comes out tomorrow. We're looking here at this evening's forecast. Note the rain that we'll have, more waves of rain moving in later tonight. And then our planner for tomorrow will start out with a few showers lingering in the morning, 55 degrees, and then a little peak of sun here or there. But notice how consistent these temperatures stay in the upper 50s for tomorrow. We will sneak on up to near 60 degrees for that afternoon high. But a glorious weekend coming up, beautiful on Saturday and Sunday. Little nip in the air in the mornings, in the 40s both mornings, and then we'll be up to 67 on Saturday afternoon at 2 and about 71 degrees on Sunday. So a nice day on the way. Our first alert forecast for the next 7 days does include those showers wrapping up tomorrow, still some clouds lingering, and 61. And then on Friday, 64 degrees, lots of sunshine Saturday and Sunday. We'll be in the low 70s on Monday. And then rain starts to move in on Tuesday with our next weather maker. Next thing we'll see is another drop in those temperatures by Wednesday of next week. And that's how things are shaping up right now. Of course, we're going to keep you updated here on WSMV4. I've got an update on what's going on with our weather at 10 o'clock tonight. You can catch that on our streaming services. You can also catch that on our WSMV4 app. We stream it there as well. And you can check the latest radar image. We love our First Alert app, so it's a great tool. Both those are free downloads. Thank you so much for joining me tonight, though. And for those who are watching on my simulcast on my Facebook page and also on my YouTube channel, and you can see right there the handle there with our 7-day forecast. It is Lisa Spencer, WSMV, for Facebook, X, and Instagram. I'd love it if you would follow me on those. And if you're on YouTube tonight, or if you want to check it out, go to youtube.com/c/Lisa Spencer. And I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. Got lots of weather videos on there. And plenty of stories as well with our Story Time on the Back Porch, which we feature. That is every Thursday night, and that starts at 7 o'clock. I hope you guys have a great night, and we'll look forward to getting back again with you very, very soon. I'll leave you with another look at our 7-day forecast.